Alright, so we got a big old package here straight out of Maine. This is from Wicked Wheel Werks. He's a fantastic wheel builder, and he shot me some off-road wheels. About to open them up, see how they look. Let's check it out.
Yeah, I'm on my own. I don't need no one. I don't, yeah.
Alright, your wheels are here from Maine. Let's get it. So I don't really do a lot of off-roading because I've got the slicks on my bike. These are 17-inch supermoto wheels, and these are actually also from Wicked Wheel Werks. These are about a year and a half old at this point. They're 17-inch supermotos, and I haven't really done a lot of off-roading. There's a couple off-road videos you might have seen, but they're obviously not ideal for anything other than street, so I'm really excited to try out these off-road wheels. Maybe I'll be into it. Oh man. Oh boy. Good packaging. Look at that. I love these. Look at these valve covers. It's a fun valve cover. I like that. Okay, so look at these. So this is the front wheel for sure. Red anodized hub. This is a good hub. This is a real hub. Wicked Wheel Werks EMX4. So these are his own rims. Got a Dunlop tire, 70, 100, 19. Okay, so this is a 19-inch rim.
This is so fucking cool.
Yeah, isn't that cool?
This whole thing is so dope. Honestly, like low-key, I'm kind of a fan of the green bolts.
Right?
It's kind of Christmassy.
Yeah.
So if you switch them to like red or black, I think it'll look better for your bike. But damn, bro. Wait, this is the front wheel?
Yeah. Wait until you see the rear. Oh my. Bruh, look at that hub. Look at that hub. This is not a joke. What? So apart from the fact that he knows the best way to make wheels, he actually has his own hubs made for the rear wheels of his Surround kits. It's got an awesome like dark bronze color. Like, I actually do love these green bolts. Got the Kenda Washugal 2 sticky tires on here. 70, 100, 19. Wow. Wow.
You like that?
Nice wheels.
I'll throw one of these stickers on because I'm so excited about these wheels. And Josh is an awesome guy. So pretty much the biggest question people are going to have from this video is, where do you get these wheels? For a while there, Wicked Wheel Werks was selling on eBay. That's actually how I got these supermoto wheels. Now, what it's looking like, and I don't know if this is final or yet, but what it's looking like is Emoto Bros, who hooked me up with this controller, they will be carrying Wicked Wheel Werks wheel sets in their component form. And then you get the set, and then you have to go to a local wheel builder and have them put it together.
I ain't joking, do it sound like I'm kidding. I've been making like 2,000 a minute. So high up through the clouds, I was swimming. I'm probably gonna drown when I'm in it. I bet she gonna get loud when I'm in it. And we might have a
Let's go. So yeah, if you guys are looking for these wheels, go check out Emoto Bros. Let them know you saw my video. And yeah, as always, thank you so much for watching. Massive shout out to Josh at Wicked Wheel Werks. He is the man. He makes the best wheels. He's been doing this for decades. As always, thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned.
Yeah.